When the clients first approached us, the direct and very clear requirement from their end was to have a very simple house, a multi-story house. They wanted a brick-cladded residence. They wanted their residence to be deeply rooted towards the nature and other elements of nature. So this residence is situated in HSR layout. So it's one of the upmarket localities of Bangalore. I'll try to narrate the details of this project, covering as many details as possible. Have any questions regarding any sort of details, you can always leave the comments below, and we will try and respond to as many as possible. So this particular property was quite skewed. It is a 40 by road and 60 in depth, and this property was skewed. It had a good 40 feet road frontage, and it had a nice park right in front. We had this good sacred tree right over here. So having the site skewed, we had to stagger the plan. We had to accommodate a home office, a handyman's room, and a utility and a home theatre. So we worked out a nice home theatre right at the back in the northwest and the northeast quadrants, which again opens up to a nice sit-out space so that it is accessible by all the guests. We took one entrance from here, from the parking. So here we accommodated 4 cars. And below the stairs, we accommodated space for their pets and some service areas. So this flight of stairs on the periphery of this boundary line that comes straight up, this elongated staircase from the entrance. We walk into the northeast quadrant of the property, and we come into this foyer space. We have this nice 5-foot door. This would be a 6 by 9 puja. So as soon as we enter, we have a puja room. So we have the deity facing east. So this living comes right above the home theatre space, where we have a sit out, more of a standout deck area for cross ventilation out here. So we have placed this elevator and the staircase right next to each other, so that your vertical access becomes easier. And keeping Vastu in mind, we had to accommodate this east facing hob kitchen. We gave an island with a breakfast, and this became the dining. And we have this nice brick jali happening on the periphery. As soon as we enter, the living kind of divides itself into 2. One being this very informal seating, and one seating which kind of orients towards the entertainment, being the television out here. So right outside the kitchen, we have this nice deck space. The first floor area is the private space of the house, where we have accommodated 2 bedrooms for the kids, one daughter and a son. So as soon as we get out of the staircase, we enter into this double height space, and this utility core continues. And as soon as we enter, this is a double height informal living that we have created, which again overlooks onto this double height foyer. And when we walk across this bridge, this is the son's bedroom towards the northeast quadrant, which is right above the living. The sit out part of the living is again incorporated into the bedroom to make it bigger. So this bedroom again overlooks onto this jali wall that is created on the periphery. Son's bedroom has this walk-in closet and kind of opens up into this nice rough Sadrali finished bathroom. We made the foyer to be double height as we wanted all the spaces to interconnect with each other. So this being a double height, and this particular floor, we have this slab running across at the periphery. We inculcated this particular the brick screening, which again is continued onto this double height space. This kind of allows the client to have a cup of coffee or just relax in an evening. The daughter's bedroom stretches from the southwest to the southeast. We also have a sit out for the daughter's bedroom, and we have this nice L-shape window right above the son's bedroom and the bathroom. We have this terrace garden. The covered portion of the terrace garden happens on the northwest. The other part of the bridge, right above the daughter's bedroom, we have the master bedroom. So this is the master bedroom. This is on the second floor, right on top of the daughter's bedroom. And this bedroom is slightly bigger than the daughter's bedroom because we have occupied the sit-out space as well. So this is about 16 by 23, and we have deliberately avoided the sit-out opening right onto the master bedroom because this shares the same floor as the terrace garden. Considering the ethnicity of this bedroom, we have bought in these cane furnitures, and to add on a little more onto that, so we have got these stamp papers, these Rajasthan stamp papers, very vintage ones. You know, these arts done on the stamp papers, and we have actually framed them. This adds on a lot of glamour, a bit of subtle glamour onto this particular bedroom. Client was very much open towards whatever we have been suggesting them. We had the same line of thinking when it comes to selection of materials. With respect to the choosing of colors or blending the colors, there was an absolute freedom and the trust where it was left on us. So this particular project has been something where our design philosophies have been followed almost to the fullest, is what we can say.